first thing that made me come in was a television show that I saw the man on. He had a very good appearance on the show, and he was very intelligent with what he spoke. And it made me want to investigate him further. In the past, for about the last 20 years, I have not been able to chew the steak properly. I had no molars at all. I had a 4-unit partial bridge in the front, and that had gotten loose. It was over 30 years. It had gotten loose. So you can't eat apples, you can't eat corn. If you're chewing meat, you have to chew on the front teeth. I don't know if you've ever tried that, but it's not easy. The best thing about Dr. Fard is he gave me all my options. He told me the pros and the cons of each procedure, and together we made a decision. Recovery time, I was amazed because the recovery time was next to nothing. I went to sleep that night, I woke up, things were back to normal for me. The 9th of June was when they put in the permanent ones. On that same day, I went to the restaurant and ordered a big steak. Sorry. Was able to chew the steak, for the first time in 20 years, appropriately, As far as the price goes, it's not cheap, but it's well worth it. Nothing worthwhile is cheap. They have multiple financing options here, and, each and every one of them were laid out for us. We got a great deal. Like I said, the office is extremely helpful. And it's not whether you can afford to do it, it's whether you can afford not to do it. How can you go and put a price on your health? You can't do it. So they make it pretty easy for this to become a reality for you. I would highly recommend Dr. Fard on a couple of bases. Skill. He's extremely blessed to what he does. His knowledge, like I said, he shares it with you. I've never asked him a question that he didn't know, and I'm sure even if he didn't know it, he would look it up and find it. He's a great person. And the fact that he does care, like I said, you can tell when he's working with you that he actually wants you to attain your goals. He's not in it for the money, I guarantee you. He's in it to help people out, and that's his middle name, I think. He's a very, very caring individual. And, it's amazing to me because I didn't know the man 8 months ago, saw him on TV. I consider him family. I really consider him family now.